How to use color grading tools in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo and select an image from your gallery or use the camera to take a new one. Once the image opens, tap on the Adjust tool from the bottom toolbar. Start by adjusting brightness and exposure to set the base lighting. Then, use contrast to enhance depth and make your image pop. Use hue and saturation to shift and control overall color tones. Temperature and tint help balance warm or cool tones for the right mood. Fine-tune your photo with highlights, fade, or grain for extra style and texture. After you are satisfied, tap the check mark to apply the changes and hit the save icon to export your image. And that's it. Now you know how to use the color grading tools in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.